Hello all, welcome to our channel of JNTUH updates, and these are the important questions for chemistry, important questions for R22, all the line answers for all the units. So you can take the screenshot, or else I will just try to make a PDF and save it, send it in a description, and take the screenshots of this. These are the topics of the second unit, maximum if you can study this all the questions, you can minimum you can get 50 plus above marks, and that's it. Take the screenshot of this unit 2. And these are the third unit important questions, guys. Compare the following with the suitable examples: thermosetting and thermoplastic, and addition of chain polarism and condensation step polarism, and explain the chain polarization mechanism, and what is the step polarization, what are the preparation and properties of applications in polyvinyl chloride and Teflon, and what is the natural rubber, and give the account of vulcanization of rubber, what is write the preparation of properties and the following. Buna is rubber, butyl rubber, thickenol. And if you want these short questions also, I can provide. If you can want, just comment us in this video. I'll try to make a short also. For that, please subscribe to our channel for further updates. And these are the important questions for the 5th unit. You can take a screenshot of it. Explain the composition and setting up forming of Portland cement, and explain the shop memory of and their application, what is thermoresponsive material, and give the account of mechanism and temperature, and write an account of flash and fire cloud pour of lubricants, what is viscosity, and explain the different types of mechanism of lubrication. And first of all, please study 5th unit, 4th unit, and 2nd, 3rd first. It will be easy for you for the better and scoring for the good marks. And perfectly read 3 chapters so that you can get a pass marks, or if you want any 50 plus above, read all the chapters. These are the very important questions. You can definitely get these questions in the question paper itself.